Hi, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe with WooCommerce. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to WooCommerce, then click on Settings and choose the Payments tab. Now, click the Complete Setup button for Stripe payment method. Now, when you click this button, click Create or Connect an Account button. So clicking the Create or Connect a Test Account button should only be used if you're connecting to a test-only Stripe account. Now, you'll be redirected to connect.stripe.com where you can either connect to an existing Stripe account or create a new one. Now, whether you simply connect to an existing account you already logged into or created a brand new Stripe account, you'll be redirected back to the WordPress admin dashboard once you've connected the Stripe extension. Now, in the account details section, click the configure connection button and ensure that the statuses of your account, webhooks and sync are all green. Once that's done, you're all set up to start using a Stripe extension. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.